Welcome to Ohio Valley weather. Here's your detailed midday forecast for this afternoon. Good afternoon and welcome to your midday weather update with me, Tempest. Let's dive into what you can expect today and over the next few days. Starting off with a look at the national picture for November 5th, 2025 today. Through Friday, we're seeing a mix of unsettled conditions across different parts of the country. In the Northwest and Northern California, you'll want to keep an umbrella handy as heavy rainfall is expected, especially near the coast where atmospheric rivers are bringing in moisture from the Pacific. This could lead to some flash flooding risks into early Friday morning, so stay alert if you're in those areas. Moving eastward, we have high wind watches for parts of the northern mid-Atlantic and southern New England states this afternoon through Thursday. Also, don't forget about northern Montana where high winds are expected on Thursday. Meanwhile, much of the southern U.S. will remain dry with generally seasonable temperatures due to the west to east flow pattern currently in place. Now, as we look ahead into the weekend and early next week, an amplified weather pattern is shaping up across the nation. This means colder air moving southward over the central and eastern parts of the country, bringing much cooler temperatures for those regions. The Midwest, Great Lakes, and Northeast will see some precipitation, possibly wintry in nature, while the west and south central U.S. will stay dry under a ridge of high pressure. To break it down further, let's start with the Northwest, where you can expect heavy rainfall today through early Friday morning due to atmospheric rivers bringing moisture from the Pacific. This could lead to flash flooding risks, particularly in coastal areas like Oregon and Washington. In these regions, we're looking at upwards of 3–5 inches of rain, so it's crucial to stay alert if you're traveling or spending time outdoors. In Northern California, similar conditions apply with heavy rainfall expected today through Thursday morning. This could result in flash flooding as well, especially in low-lying areas and along rivers. Make sure to check the latest advisories from your local weather office and take necessary precautions if needed. As we move eastward into parts of the northern mid-Atlantic and southern New England states, a high wind watch is in effect this afternoon through Thursday due to strong winds expected across these regions. Gusts could reach up to 50 miles per hour or more, so it's important to secure any loose outdoor items that might become projectiles during these windy conditions. Meanwhile, northern Montana will experience high winds on Thursday, with gusts potentially reaching over 60 miles per hour in some areas. This can cause hazardous driving conditions and potential property damage, so stay indoors if possible or take necessary precautions before traveling. The southern U.S., including the Gulf Coast states, will remain mostly dry for today and tomorrow. Temperatures will be seasonable with highs ranging from the mid-60s to low 80s depending on your location. This is due to a west-to-east flow pattern that's currently keeping storm systems at bay. Now let's look ahead into the weekend and early next week. A strong cold front will sweep through the central and eastern U.S., bringing much colder temperatures as it moves southward. The Midwest, Great Lakes, and Northeast regions are going to see a mix of rain and possibly some wintry precipitation as the cold air moves in. The west and south central U.S. will stay relatively dry under high-pressure conditions with generally mild temperatures for this time of year. By mid-next week, we'll start to see changes again as energy from the north pushes into the Midwest and Great Lakes, which could bring more chances of rain or snow. Our models are generally in good agreement about these broad patterns, but there's some uncertainty with the exact timing and amounts of precipitation, especially along the West Coast and in the Great Lakes region. This means you might want to keep an eye on your local weather updates as we move through this period. Now, let's focus on the Ohio Valley region for today and tomorrow. Illinois is experiencing a mix of sunny skies and strong winds. In Chicago, you can expect some beautiful sunny skies today, but it's going to be quite breezy with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. High will be around 59 degrees and dropping down to about 4 41 tonight as the winds settle down to between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Over in Aurora, you'll also enjoy some sun today, but watch out for those strong gusts that could reach up to 35 miles per hour. The high is expected to be around 60 degrees with temperatures falling to about 30 tonight under mostly clear skies. In Naperville, it's a sunny day too with highs near 60 and dropping down to around 33 at night. Keep those umbrellas handy for the gusts that could reach up to 35 miles per hour today. Moving over to Indiana, Indianapolis is going to be quite warm with a high of about 71 degrees this afternoon, but it's going to cool off pretty quickly as we head into the evening. Expect mostly clear skies tonight with temperatures around 34 and rising slightly overnight. Fort Wayne will also see some sun today with highs near 64 degrees, though you'll want to keep an eye on those winds that could gust up to 40 miles per hour. Tonight, it's going to be a bit chilly with lows around 32 under mostly clear skies. And in Evansville, the sun is shining and temperatures are climbing to about 72 degrees this afternoon. It will cool off to around 39 tonight as we get some clear skies. Now, over to Kentucky. Louisville is looking sunny today with highs near 69 degrees, but it's going to get windy though, so make sure you've got something to keep your hat on if you're out and about. Tonight, it's mostly clear with temperatures around 38. Lexington is also seeing some sun today with a high of about 67 degrees, but the winds will be picking up a bit in the afternoon as gusts reach up to 30 miles per hour. Expect mostly clear skies tonight with lows around 36, and Bowling Green will be sunny and warm, reaching highs near 71 degrees this afternoon tonight. It's going to be a bit cooler under clear skies with temperatures dropping down to about 42. Ohio is next on our list. Columbus has partly sunny skies today with highs near 67 degrees, but it's going to get windy though, so keep an eye out for those gusts that could reach up to 33 miles per hour. Tonight, it's mostly clear with temperatures around 36 and the winds will still be kicking. Cleveland is looking at a bit of rain showers today after 1 p.m., so if you're planning on being outdoors, make sure you've got your umbrella handy. The high is expected to be near 62 degrees, but it's going to stay breezy with gusts up to 47 miles per hour. Tonight, there's a chance of more rain showers and the low will be around 42. And Cincinnati has sunny skies today with highs near 69 degrees. The winds are going to pick up in the afternoon, so keep those umbrellas ready if you're out. Tonight, it's mostly clear with temperatures dropping down to about 37. In Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh is partly sunny today with a high of around 64 degrees and some strong gusts that could reach up to 33 miles per hour. There's also a chance of rain showers tonight before 8 p.m., so keep an eye on the skies. Philadelphia will be clear overnight with temperatures dropping down to about 42 degrees. Wednesday looks sunny with highs near 67 degrees and some breezy conditions as winds pick up to around 20 miles per hour. And in Allentown, it's mostly clear tonight with lows around 37 degrees. Tomorrow you'll see mostly sunny skies with a high of about 65 degrees and some gusty winds that could reach up to 30 miles per hour. Now over to Tennessee. Nashville is going to be quite warm today with highs near 74 degrees under mostly sunny skies, but it's going to cool off tonight as temperatures drop down to around 46 degrees under clear skies. Memphis will also see some sun today with a high of about 74 degrees and winds that are pretty light at just 5-10 miles per hour. Tonight, it's mostly clear with lows around 51 degrees. Knoxville is sunny this afternoon with highs near 70 degrees, but it's going to cool off tonight under mostly clear skies with temperatures dropping down to about 46 degrees. And finally, in West Virginia, Charleston will be mostly sunny today with highs near 72 degrees and some strong gusts that could reach up to 30 miles per hour. Tonight, it's partly cloudy with lows around 30 38 degrees. Huntington is also seeing a lot of sun today with highs near 72 degrees and winds picking up to about 15 miles per hour. Tonight, it's mostly clear with temperatures dropping down to around 38 degrees. And Morgantown has partly sunny skies today with highs near 65 degrees and some gusty winds that could reach up to 31 miles per hour. There's also a chance of rain showers tonight before 9 p.m., so keep an umbrella handy if you're out late. That's your Ohio Valley forecast. I'm Tempest. Stay weather aware. Thank you for tuning in today, and remember to stay prepared for any changes as we move through the weekend and into next week. If you have any questions or need further information on these conditions, feel free to reach out to us. Have a great afternoon and stay safe. That's your midday forecast. Stay weather aware and have a great afternoon.